Cody Armand is the owner and executive manager of Armand Services Incorporated, one of Louisiana's most trusted welding and construction companies. With more than a decade of experience as one of the state's most authoritative experts in the field of welding, Cody has knowledge of a wide variety of welding products and techniques. He is highly sought out for his vast body of work on oil and gas operations, as well as his status as one of only 147 axle surgeons in the country. For more information on specialty welding services, contact Armand Services today at www.armand-services.com.